morning, East Alabama and West Georgia. Dr. Don, going to jump back in here with you for just a few minutes here. We have a brand new severe thunderstorm warning now that is going to be in effect for a pretty potent storm that's coming out of the Montgomery area. This is going to be for a storm that is just to the southeast of Wetumpka or northeast of Montgomery. It's going to be moving to the northeast this morning, and that will eventually work its way up into Tallapoosa County. So let me read the text of this warning. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Elmore County in east central Alabama, southeastern Tallapoosa County in east central Alabama, and north central Montgomery County in south central Alabama. This warning is in effect until 8:15 a.m. this morning. Radar is tracking a severe thunderstorm just southeast of Wetumpka, moving to the northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards with this storm will include winds at 60 miles per hour and quarter-sized hail. Again, that is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect now for central Elmore County, southeastern Tallapoosa County, and north central Montgomery County in central Alabama. Now, just looking at this thing a little bit closer, you can see a tremendous amount of lightning output with this storm. Also, a pretty significant looking hail core with this storm as well, indicating a 100% chance of hail, and there is a 90% chance that this hail is severe. So let me put some times on the radar. Bear with me just a second. We're going to have to switch around a few things here to get this to populate and zoom out a little bit so you can kind of see where it's going. So we're talking Tallahassee by 7:49, Reeltown by 7:57, Lochapoka by 8:12, Camp Hill by 8:15, Waverly by 8:17, Auburn, if it holds together, maybe around 8:20 this morning. Farmville around 8:20, Gold Hill 8:21. So if it continues beyond the 1 hour track, then it may affect places like Lynette, West Point, Valley, Casita, Hughley. So we're going to have to kind of watch this as we go through the next few minutes or hour or so. Again, that's a very strong thunderstorm. Has now prompted a severe thunderstorm warning for Elmore, southern Tallapoosa counties this morning. It is below or above severe limits. The greatest threat here is 60-mile-per-hour winds and hail in excess of 1 inch in size. No real indication of any tornadic activity here. Let me just take a look at a couple of things. Don't see anything there. Don't see anything there. So we don't have any low-level rotation taking place there, which is good news. So once again, let me just kind of give you a rundown of the entire area right quick. We had some extremely heavy rainfall that moved across Randolph and Chambers earlier this morning. That's now moving on over into West Georgia, places like Noonan picking up some heavy rain right now. Then we have very heavy rainfall pretty much just north of the 280 corridor there in Lee County, up into southern Chambers County now. So 431, a really wet ride in southern Chambers County all the way down to Auburn. We have a special weather statement just issued. This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service office at Peachtree City. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southwestern Meriwether, southeastern Troup, northwestern Talbot, and Harris counties through 9 a.m. this morning. At 8:32, a strong thunderstorm was located over Lake Harding, or 9 miles southeast of Valley, moving to the northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard with this storm is going to be 40-mile-per-hour winds and a very frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, very heavy rainfall. So special weather statement over here for Harris and extreme southeastern Troup County, and then that severe thunderstorm warning down there for Elmore and southern Tallapoosa. We'll watch that very closely to see if it moves on over into Lee or southwestern Chambers. This thunderstorm down here in south Elmore County will not affect the Alexander City area or probably will not affect Jackson's Gap either, though you do have very heavy rainfall moving into the area with lots of lightning. The severe part of this storm should stay to the southeast of Alexander City and Jackson's Gap, may stay southeast of Dadeville also. Camp Hill, you are in the direct path of this storm that's moving to the northeast. Big picture, you can see it is a stormy morning across Alabama and West Georgia, and this is going to continue for several hours. Looking back into Mississippi, yet another line of thunderstorms there just east of the Mississippi River. And those will be in here probably between 1 and 3 this afternoon. Brand new tornado watch just issued by the Storm Prediction Center covers central and southern Alabama. In the Dr. Don coverage area, pretty much we're talking Lee County, Russell, and Macon covered in that tornado watch that's in effect until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So that's our update for now. Again, because of the timing that this storm system is moving through, we are only going to do long-form coverage in the event that there is a life-threatening situation unfolding, and that would include severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings. So if a new warning is issued, I'll be right back with you as our coverage continues here on Dr. Don's Weather.